In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Secretlab coupon codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Secretlab coupon code. Right here, scroll down a little bit and go to this website which is called Retrieve. So as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use to get some discounts. For example, right here, if you want to get this one with 5% discount, all you need to do is tap on this button where it says copy code. And right here, this is the promo code. You can simply copy this one and you can use it in order to get that 5% discount. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Wild Deal. So as you can see right here, we also have some promo codes as well that we can use. For example, right here, we have this one with up to 10% discount of select orders. So all you need to do right here is basically tap on this button where it says get code. And this is the promo code right here. You have this copy button from where you can copy this promo code and you can apply this one on your next purchase so that you can get this up to 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.